Hi, I'm Jason with Adamjet Industries, here to talk to you about our line of hoe drill openers for the Case 72 and 8500, Morris 310 and 3100, and M11, as well as the John Deere 93 and 9400 series drills. Hoe drills are coming back into popularity in some areas for specialty crops, reseeding hayland, and cover cropping. The Adamjet hoe drill line is an OEM replacement with long-lasting carbide protection and hard surface welding to make this the last set of openers you'll buy. They're built with the same specs as all our other seed openers: vertical design, solid steel tip and boot plate, and carbide and hard surface welding. The vertical design makes it easy for these lighter units to penetrate the ground. That, with the easy trip over obstacles, makes this a great opener to pull. Along with replacing original equipment, we have added a sideband liquid fertilizer option for models like the Case 72 or 8500 and John Deere 93 and 9400 series. This gives the option to get it all done in one pass and allow for higher rates of fertilizer to be placed. If you're looking to outfit your hoe drill with new openers, don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-573-5048 or look us up on the web at agriculture.adamjet.com.